Today I will be testing the latest invention from the Nikola Tesla of biomechanics himself, David Wecks. It's the ProPulse Power Vest from Weck Method. Despite how this looks, this is not actually a weighted vest. It only weighs about 10 pounds or 4.5 kilos, and it's filled with 12 of these very noisy spring loaded cartridges that each react to every movement I do. Today's my first day using it, and I have 4 tests that I want to try with it on: skipping, jumping, sprinting, and stairs. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump some rope. Okay, I'm nice and warm, and that actually felt really nice. Yesterday I did actually message David and I said, tomorrow I'm going to film with the vest. Any tips or advice or tests I should do? He said, do something with the vest and then do it without the vest. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the vest off and try it again without. Delicioso. That actually felt really good. I'm excited to do the rest of these tests. As some of you may know, I've got a background in parkour, so one of the things I really wanted to do, we've done vertical plyometrics, let's test it on some horizontal with some parkour forwards plyometrics. Got the jump set up, I'm going to do a little more warm up and test it without the vest, put the vest on, have a go with the vest. Feels good, test feels simple, try that same jump sequence with a vest. Now I'm going to mix it up, try adding hurdle in there. Some nice lift on that. Let's try it again without the vest. Yo! Yo! It's like you've got the ghost of the vest on. And you know that punch. It works for the ups, but the horizontal I'm not fully sold on yet. Oh yeah, that is good. Yes sir. Oh, I love it. That's impressed me. I was confident on the vertical work it would do something. I wasn't so sure on the horizontal because the weights are obviously working that way. But I still definitely can feel that like ghost of the vest working when you're jumping without it. David, you're a genius. It is getting really hot and steamy inside this stable right now. I think I'm going to head out to the next 2 spots for the uphill stair sprinting and the flatland sprinting. But as I go, it's probably a good time for David himself to explain to you what this thing actually does. So there's a spring and a weight in there.
Yes.
And as that bounces...
As it bounces, what happens is your body experiences a greater force for a fraction of time. And then it springs you up. So we're achieving what the nervous system wants, which is firing everything together, perfect timing, and the jolt helps you get off the ground.
We made it. Here we are at this beautiful stair set near Butley Reservoir, 2 minutes from my house. Lucky boy I am. A few years back when I was in San Diego visiting David, we went out together and tested out his pulses just in the hands on the stairs, and you could instantly feel the difference, and you could see the difference in the video as well. Last time you got 1 in each hand, this time we've got 12 attached to your core. This isn't necessarily about times, it's about how it feels in the body. Okay, now we have a baseline, put the vest on, try again. I feel like I want to do a few sets actually with the vest. Now we'll try without the vest. Woo! Light work. That did feel nice. The magic in this is that timing. It's the rhythm and the pulse of energy that the vest is teaching me that moment to drop into my body, into the connective tissues, to rebound up again. It's like teaching your body to be a trampoline. That's what it feels like. That was really cool. I actually feel like I'm just getting into this now. It's actually really, really exciting. I was excited to do this video, and I think I'm more excited after I've tested it than beforehand. I wasn't sure if I'd feel much, to be honest.
The body responds with what's called connective tissue or fascial recoil. It turns your body into a pressure system where the fluid force comes through the fluid muscles whilst the rest of the body pressurizes it for a more powerful, economical exchange that is friendlier for your body than without.
Here we are still at the reservoir. We're at one of these man-made flats. Once again, we're gonna do it sometimes with the vest, sometimes without the vest, and we'll see how it feels. Okay, vest off, but it's not sprinting until we've got our sprinter shades on. Some strides, let's see how we go. Vest on, final thing. In my prep test without the vest, I could already feel the rest of the day kicking into the body. I mean, knowing that pulse moment, this moment to drive and drop and go and shoot. Take the vest off, final test. It's only my first session with it. It really just accentuates the ground contact. Like your body has the ghost, is the best way to call it, of the vest on it. And it really even steers me into that head over foot even more. Because when you've got the vest on, you have to be more balanced with it. You have to put your weight over that foot a bit more in order to maintain control. You right?
Oh, yeah. TikTok?
No, not TikTok. YouTube, yeah. TIMSGYM. TIMSGYM, yeah. Jump in, jump in.
Is that Mike?
It's a mic.
Ooh.
Oscar's just asked me what I'm doing. This is a vest. You thought it was a weight vest, right?
Yeah.
It looks like a weight vest. Yeah. Shake that,
What?
that. Shake it up and down. Yeah. Does that remind you of something? No, okay. It's got loads of them in it. It's got 12 of those cartridges in it, right? So it's going to feel heavier with it, but then you run without it after, and you feel lighter. Yeah.
Weird.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Little jog without it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Oscar.
Right, yeah, no problem.
Appreciate you. You got the full reaction from Oscar there. You can feel it. He's this young, sprightly kid. It's 30 degrees almost today, and you know what they say about this temperature. Only mad dogs and Englishmen are out in it. And I am an Englishman, but I'm not completely mad. So let me get my breath back, eat some watermelon, and we'll do a conclusion back home. Just to summarise then, my biggest takeaway really was that it's not necessarily how you feel with the vest on, though that is certainly a unique experience. It's how you feel the moment you take it off and do that rep again. You just feel bouncier, and that is an experience no other tool I've ever come across has even come close to designing. It makes sense how it works, and it works how you'd expect it to, but the experience trumps anything I could tell you through a video. Okay, then onto the review part of the video where we'll talk about the quality, the fit, the price, the pros and the cons, and give a final verdict of the ProPulse Power Vest. First things first, then the quality of this product. It is actually a really well-built vest. I remember back in 2023, I got to feel one of the prototypes that David had created, and it was nice, but they held off on the release because they wanted to get it absolutely right. Obviously, with the pulses bouncing up and down, you need it to be really snug around your chest and around your core, and I never felt like it was baggy or loose on my body. It's got elastic Velcro straps at the side, which is a nice touch. The active was 188 pounds or about $250 raw. Then I had to get shipping on top, and I had to email Weck Method to do this. Because I'm a Weck Method qualified coach, I got 30% off. For me, then it ended up being about £200 all in delivered to my door. That's about $300. It's pricey, but it doesn't feel like a rip-off in any way when you feel the quality of the product and the uniqueness of what it offers. Let's talk about the pros and cons then. From my experience, pro number one, this is like nothing I've experienced in my life in terms of a training tool, a biomechanical tool. There's a lot of innovative creations within the fitness world and the strength and conditioning world, and generally that's something like using slant boards or using chains so that when you get higher the weight increases, and this is all great ingenuity, but in terms of actually an invention that you put on, there is no barrier to entry, there is no learning curve like there is with the pulses, which is obviously what he invented years before the vest. That takes some coordination, and a leap from that to putting it on a vest wasn't that big, but it took time for David to come up with. But when he did that, that removed that barrier for entry, and you can put this on anyone. You can put it on your nan, you can put it on a 12-year-old, as you saw with Oscar, and they will feel something straight away, and it's pretty undeniable. The main pro then is that I do wholeheartedly believe if you train with this vest, it will make you a faster runner or jump higher or further. And I do not say that flippantly. Okay, then on to the cons. Number one con, can you tell us what it is? That's right, it is a little bit noisy. Not to the point where it's like hurting your ears, or it doesn't even bother you that much when it's on you. But if you're in a public setting, you're in a public gym, or you're running through a city, you would very likely be either triggering people or at the very least be self-conscious about the noise you're creating. If you're a track athlete or a coach to a track athlete, if you're a strength and conditioning coach in any sport at any kind of high level, this is 1000% a must-have. If you're a PT or a fitness trainer and you can afford it, I think all your clients would get a kick out of using it and benefits from it, and they'd think you're at the leading edge of the fitness industry. If you're more of a solo practitioner, but you're an explorer of all things biomechanics, and you do any kind of jump rope, sprinting, cardio, plyometric work, 100% you want to try this. If you just lift weights, go for hikes, do a bit of jogging every now and then, maybe it's not something you need. I'd say you have to find a way that it fits into the way that you're already training. And also, if your only place that you're able to train is at a public gym and you're a little bit self-conscious, it might not be for you.
The greatest thing about this is zero learning curve. You do what you do, the vest does what it does, and you're faster and you feel better.
Final verdict then of the ProPulse Power Vest from Weck Method. Where do I see it sitting? I mean, in terms of David Wecks' inventions, the Bosu ball is something we see in every gym around the world. Rope flow is still fairly new and growing. I see that as a life-changing discovery for many people, or an invention, however you want to put it. I don't see this as life-changing as rope flow. And I don't personally think you might see it in every gym the way you see Bosu ball. But I will say, however, even though it might not be a life-changing invention, one down from that, game-changing, I think this is a game changer. I think you see this in every high-level professional sports team around the world. There's no reason they wouldn't have one of these in their facility. So in impact that it could have at the top level of sports, I see it as a game changer there. It is still early days. This invention hasn't been out that long, and this is just my one person's opinion, but I do see a very bright future for the ProPulse Power Vest. My plan with the vest going forward is to try it for a few more months, test it in a few more activities and with a few more students, and maybe I'll make a follow-up video down the line. If you like this video, please give it a like or leave me a comment. It helps me know what content to make to serve you best going forwards. I've been Tim, and this is my take on the gym. Godspeed.